Hi, Ruth Lyons here with Sachs Realty. I'm both a Maryland licensed agent and I've been investing for many years. I know how important it is to have a solid foundation of knowledge before you start investing. And I also remember how overwhelming it is to learn. There's a ton of information on the internet, lots of gurus who want to sell you courses, and lots of books. So this video is one in a series of short takes I've developed to help you get a grasp of the various facets of real estate investing from my boots on the ground experience. As a rental or buy and hold real estate investor, it's important to be able to quickly and efficiently analyze a lot of opportunities to find the ones where the numbers work. The 1% rule is a useful tool in screening opportunities quickly. With a little math, you can quickly determine if there's likely to be positive cash flow each month. To calculate, you multiply the price of the property plus any repairs to get it rent ready by 1%. This is the baseline rent you need to be able to charge every month. If, for example, your research shows that you can charge $1,500 a month, then your acquisition cost should be no more than $150,000. The 1% rule is a quick estimation tool. It doesn't take into account taxes, insurance, or maintenance. It's most useful as an elimination tool to help you focus on which properties deserve more analysis and which ones you can rule out. That's a take. Thanks for watching my video. I invite you to like, subscribe, or forward this to any friends. And of course, reach out to me if I can help you with any of your real estate needs or questions. I can be reached at 443-745-4806. This is Ruth Lyons with Sachs Realty signing off.
Sachs Realty, Maryland broker number 607720, office number 443-318-4514, equal housing opportunity.